I picked up this party hat at the Dollar Tree. And the first thing I want to do is remove the tassel from the top. And I'm going to start taking it apart in the seam. It's just cardboard. And you know how they have that little tab that holds it together. So I unraveled it. And I found this tea towel at Just a Buck. I'm taking a permanent marker and just tracing out my party hat on the tea towel. Taking a pair of scissors and cutting this pattern out. I'm going to go back to the party hat, lay it on my tea towel, and hot glue it to the tea towel. Now I'm going to put the party hat back together using some hot glue. Then the extra material at the bottom, I'm going to glue and tuck back inside the bottom of the hat. Once the bottom is completely glued, I'm going to take some tissue paper and stuff the hat. I found this charger plate. It was silver on one side and completely black on the other, and I flipped it upside down, and now I'm going to glue my party hat to the top of this plate. Hot glue works very, very well when you're dealing with fabric. So this took a very little bit of glue to get it to really hold there well. So now I have this, it's kind of like a mesh tube. I picked this up at Dollar Tree, especially this time of year. And I'm just making a trimmed out area. Just going to neaten up where my party hat begins and the charger begins. It kind of has a jute color to it, but it's just a tube of mesh. So I just went around a couple times with the hot glue. And this gave me a nice finished edge. And this is what we got so far. So I also found this garland at the Dollar Tree. Almost every item I have, I got from the Dollar Tree that I used. This garland was really pretty. It has the fall leaves. It came in a few different colors. It has some pumpkins and some berries. So with some hot glue, I just wrapped it around the bottom of the hat. And then I took little pieces of jute because it blended in well with the mesh. And I just used it to tie sections of the garland down just to keep it in control. And I decided to put a second one around the base of the hat. just to give it a little bit more fullness. I found these big orange flowers also at the Dollar Tree, and what I liked about them is they had these little clips on the back, so I was just able to just clip them to the side. And there you go. Now you have this really nice witch's hat for the fall that you can put as a centerpiece. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.